أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My dear friends, previously we have studied about alphabets and parts of speech in Arabic language. Today let's proceed to the terminologies related to nouns in Arabic. Now as you all can see three columns in this slide, terms pronounced as and meanings. Now I will read out each and every term mentioned in this slide and try to explain in short. First one is haraka. Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma. All these are harakat in Arabic language. Fatha is called as haraka, Kasra is called as haraka, and Dhamma is also called as haraka. Now whichever letter has any of these haraka, then that letter is called as mutaharrik. When any letter doesn't have any of these harakat, then there is a sukoon which is used as a stopping sign on that letter, which is also called as jazm. Fatha. Fatha is a haraka used to give it a sound of alif. In order to eliminate the usage of alif as a vowel, fatha has been introduced. Similar is the case with kasra and dhamma. To eliminate the usage of ya as vowel, kasra has been introduced, and to eliminate the usage of waw as a vowel, dhamma has been introduced. Next term is tanween. Two fathas or two kasras or two dhammas are called as tanween. Any of this pair is called as tanween. Whenever any noun ends with fatha or two fathas or two kasras or two dhammas, then we call that noun with tanween. We say that that noun has tanween on it. Nunu tanween. The ending sound of two fathas or two kasras or two dhammas is called as nunu tanween. Whenever tanween is pronounced, it gives the sound of noon, and that sound is called as nunu tanween. Next term is maftuh. Any letter which has fatha on it is called as maftuh. Any letter which has kasra on it is called as maksur, and any letter which has dhamma on it is called as madmum. Maftuh has been derived. Maftuh is the term related to fatha. Maksur is the term related to kasra. And madhmum is the term related to dhamma. Next term is sakin. Whenever any letter has sukun on it, means whenever there is no harakat on the letter at that point of time, that letter is called as sakin. The letter with the sukun is called as sakin. Any letter which has shadda on it is called as mushaddad. Next term is ta'rif. The process of making a noun definite is called as ta'rif. Definite noun is called as ism ma'rifah. Next term is tankir. To make a noun indefinite is called as tankir. An indefinite noun is called as ism nakira. Lam at-ta'rif. Whenever al is attached to a noun, then that noun becomes definite, and that alif and lam called as lam at-ta'rif. The noun which has alif, lam and lam on it, that is lam at-ta'rif on it, then that noun is called as muqarrafun bil lam. Now next three terms are related to the number in Arabic language. Wahid, Tathniya and Jama'. In English, we have only two terms, singular and plural, but in Arabic, one, one more term is used, and that is dual. Wahid is singular, dual is called as Tathniya in Arabic, and plural is called as Jama'. Next term is Ismu Jama'. A collective plural is called as Ismu Jama'. For example, Qawmun, known as nation. Tazkir, this term is related to the gender in Arabic language. There are two types of gender, and those are called as Muzakkar and Mu'annas in Arabic language. So Muzakkar is related to Tazkir, and Mu'annas is feminine and related to Ta'neeth. Ta'neeth is nothing but feminine. Hurufu Tahajji. The letters of the alphabet are called as Hurufu Tahajji. Huruful Illah. Weak letters such as Alif, Waw and Ya are called as Huruful Illah. Apart from Huruful Illah, the letters in Huruful Tahajji all are Huruful Thaqiyya. Those are called as حروف الثقيلة. Next term is Hamza. There are two types of Hamzas. One Hamza is present in Hurufu Tahajji, and another Hamza is Mutaharrik. It can take any of the three harakat, or it can have a jazm, it can have a sukun on it, like the word given in the slide, that is ras, rasun. Alif has a sukun on it. Next is Hamzatul Wasl. The initial Hamza of a word which is not pronounced when joined to the next letter. Alamul Walad. Here is the example. Alamul Walad. In this example, as we can see, Alif has been written, but the sound of Alif is not there while pronouncing. This Hamza is also called as Hamza of assimilation. Next is Hamzatul Qata. Now, how we can identify this is Hamzatul Qata? Hamza which has a sign of half ain on it, and that is Hamzatul Qata. This Hamzatul Qata has to be pronounced every time, whenever and wherever it comes. So, friends, all these were the basic terms used in learning basic Arabic. We must know all these terms in order to have a sound knowledge of Arabic grammar. Hope you all will comprehend it in a best manner. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.